Cut a square. Fold it in half. Align one corner with the crease and the other. Align the edges. Fold them in half to find the midpoint. Fold the two corners to the midpoint to get a hexagon. 2. Take double-sided adhesive tape for standby. Cut into 4 rectangles. Roll it up. Glue it up. Roll more points. Sticking double-sided adhesive tape on the side. Sticking one stick at each corner. Sticking 2 sticks at the last one. Cover another hexagon. Each stick is bent along the side in turn. If the stick is not long enough to connect on, continue bend over. Continue to bend over while connecting. Bend over and bend over. Put the surplus into the gap. Cut it if it can be plugged. Finished.